Services, New Jersey properties. I'm so excited about my new listing at 515 Garwood Street in beautiful Oakhurst, New Jersey. Please join me now for a tour. 515 Garwood Street is situated on a large corner lot with newly paved streets and a detached workshop. This spacious 3-bedroom, 2 full bath tri-level offers plenty of room for family, work, and entertaining. Close to desirable schools, parks, shopping, and the beach, Oakhurst offers a little bit of everything and is an ideal location for commuters. I'm Arlene Meyers. Thank you for joining me. Please call me today for a private tour.